Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't watched the previous episodes, I would highly recommend it as the videos are related. Before I continue, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and leave a comment.
On the previous episode, I demonstrated an IDOR attack. An insecure direct object references, or IDORs for short, are a type of access control vulnerability that arises when an application uses user-supplied input to access objects directly. In our example of generic university, the user-supplied input is the number we were editing to get different users' information. In this video, we shall lean in further on the concept of IDORs and how to find them in the wild while bug hunting.
In this episode, I will demonstrate how you can use Burp Suite Intruder to find different records and automate the exploitation of the IDOR vulnerability found in the previous video. Now, launch Generic University and navigate to the homepage using Burp Browser, then switch tabs back to Burp Suite. Right-click on the request as shown in the video and select Send to Intruder. The Intruder feature in Burp Suite allows the user to traverse multiple requests automatically without having to send them manually. As demonstrated, a user is meant to select the part of the request that should be changed. In the case of Generic University, the part to be changed is the number. The user then selects a payload, which will be automatically inserted by the Burp Suite extension. In the case of our example, it is 6 to 25. Once all the parameters are set, the user simply clicks the button labelled Start Attack. The attack will then start automatically. If prompted that you are using community version, just click OK and the attack will continue. Alternatively, you could simply delete the part of the request containing the number and return all the users in one response. On the next episode, we advance into even more complex attacks with greater impacts. Subscribe and make sure you don't miss it. And as always, happy hunting.